How's it going, everybody? It's freaking bright and early, 6 a.m. Don's filling up the oil in the Audi, you know. Way she goes. But I have a lead on some cool shit at this junkyard in Massachusetts. So we're gonna go check that out, and I hope, yeah, we're gonna go check for 240s as well. I like going to junkyards, it's pretty dope because like you get to see a lot of cool stuff. You can break stuff, you know. We're not actually gonna break stuff. Don't go break stuff. But we're gonna go and we're gonna do things and maybe find some rare part for the Prelude, because from what I saw in the picture it looks like something, but I don't want to say it is yet until I get there. So I'll let you guys know when we get there in 30 minutes. Yeah, Massachusetts, the land of legal marijuana.
Right onto Mount Tom Road.
Alright, so we're out here. This is my guy that fucking came to the shop and bought some stuff off of us when I was moving out, the old one. And he works at this junkyard, so he hit me up and he's like, hey dude, we got some Preludes in the yard. So yeah. They're fucking gorgeous. I would.
Alright, here it is.
They did all this to this, so it's a single?
Not for parts.
Why?
So Damien has to buy the whole car.
Yeah, not for parts.
Well, this is one of the...
I was gonna buy it at first and I had to put it on hold for me, but then I didn't grab it because it has the blue fucking the blue interior. This is a 92. I don't know what the hell year it is. I just know it's here.
This is what we were coming for. That Damien really wanted.
Side skirts.
Skirts.
I want to see the back of them. That's what I'm most.
These are ARC skirts.
ARC. He says ARC. I don't know. I didn't pull them off.
Dude, get these taillights, bro.
No.
Dude, what do you mean?
Hey, I have the same strut bar.
Subwire. You should cop these taillights.
No, dude, I don't want the taillights. All right, guys, Don's gonna take a leak. Oh, dude, they got an EK hash right here too. What's in this? No, I'm gonna come with you. What? Yeah. So this junkyard is absolutely massive.
How's that walk?
There's a couple things of interest here.
How's that walk with the toolbox?
The walk with the toolbox absolutely was, dude, like that's the building way down there and you're not allowed to, yeah, but anyways, this Prelude, what's special about this is, I'm sorry, I'm nerding out, guys. This is like the all blue 92 interior. So if you look at the carpet, the seat, what do I have that's black for comparison? My phone. So look at that. The carpet, the trim, the seat, even the doors. The carpet on the doors, everything is all blue. It like, oh, right here, it's perfect. Like this is black. Like my whole door panel, everything is black. This is not black. The dash, literally everything in this car is blue, which is pretty fucking sick. What you doing, cuz?
Give me a 10 so I get these taillights off for you.
I'm not taking the taillights, dude.
What do you mean, dude?
Get the fuck out of here, dude.
What do you mean? They're like 50-50s almost,
yeah,
dude.
50-50s, yeah.
No, they're 70-30s,
yeah.
dude.
Alright, dude, I gotta get these skirts off because if they're what I think they are, I'm actually gonna shit my pants. What, dude? Oh, that's gross, dude.
That's all moss.
That's fucking horrendous.
Look at this oil. This is literally all moss. Mother Nature is taking over this Prelude.
Sad day, but good day for me because...
Yeah, these skirts. There's adhesive, sadly, but we got the screws off. Shouldn't be too hard.
Got one of them off. And before you guys say, oh bro, why aren't you getting it tuned, blah, 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 blah. Everything I'm doing right now is fucking equally important. And I'm probably never going to find these side skirts in my life again. So if I crack them, I'll cry.
The bolt's already out. You just need a...
I just need to fucking chisel the double-sided tape shit. All right, this is hard.
It's one side.
That was way easier than the other side.
Moment of truth, boy. We literally almost thought we were fucked. Like we thought we were going back without these skirts.
Yeah, because fucking.
Because there's no key. The steering wheel locked, and Damien didn't bring a stubby. To get to the screw. Yeah, to get to the screw.
We couldn't turn the wheels. Dude, I appreciate the shit out of this because you came from, dude, literally, I just walked this whole shit. My back is hurt right now with that heavy ass toolbox. When I think, what did we use? Screwdrivers and the friggin' in the paint chisel thing? That's all we used. But yeah, I'll just hop in the back, dude. Fuck it. The dude who bought my H23 and shit that I gave him a bunch of parts or whatever, he hit me up. I'll just put the DM right here. But he was like, dude, come get this hood. But I didn't really like the hood. But what I did see was the skirts, and I was like, those skirts look oddly familiar. And after a lot of searching, I realized that these are Value Sport Type 2 side skirts. So Value Sport is a Japanese company that made a very limited production run of these things. And because, you know, when people started realizing that like the non-tasteful like rice side skirts like were exactly that, they stopped buying those and they started buying these, and then they started crashing. So there's not very many left. Online I could only find 3 people that have these. I'll just start throwing up screenshots here. So yeah, so I got them. They wanted 35 a piece, and you know it's a junkyard, so I got a friggin' bargain. So I was like, hey, I told them like, yo, 20 bucks. So they're like, all right, cool, 20 bucks a piece. So for $40 I got some like stupid rare, and like the quality on these is really good. Like they're thick, like they're molded perfectly. Like there was no gaps on that Prelude when I took these off, and it was just double-sided tape here and then 1 bolt on each side. Like, yeah, they're fiberglass, but dude, I don't even care because these are like big bucks, big bucks. All right, so I just mocked the skirts up.
Dude.
Boom.
Oh man.
Gotta pull that fender out the bottom a little bit, but they fit like perfect, dude. They literally just drill in right here, and you put like double-sided tape right here to kind of like, you know, seal it. That's what the dude did before.
Yeah,
anyway,
don't do what we fucking did. Like for the
rear lip. Yeah, I'm not doing. Yeah. I'm gonna mold just the back. I'm gonna mold just the back.
No, I'm not talking about that. You know how like.
Oh, you put
because
like
we don't care. We just put like right there.
Yeah, no, absolutely not. I'm gonna put the bolt back there.
The right way.
On the front and the back. It's just one hole on each. Actually, there's a couple. I think these are for the side skirt mount, but I'm just gonna use the freaking ones that were on it. Just one on each.
I'm gonna do the same thing. Don't use double-sided tape. Use you know what's fucking fire? That 10-pound Velcro that locks.
Yeah, but it's thick though. I don't want to see that gap.
You kind of have some spacing in the back. You know what I mean? You might be. It might, dude. It's probably gonna work. Like,
I don't know.
I was worried about that too, but we'll see.
Let me get the other side. I gotta walk in the rain for that, but I'm super happy with like how it looks and like with the front lip and all. Obviously the front lip's in the air right now, so you can't really tell.
Yeah, yo, that looks so good. You're paint matching the lip too, right?
Paint matching everything.
Dude, yeah, it's gonna look freaking fire. That's perfect. That's like, there's 2 more things. You got one of them.
I'm working on one.
You can't find the other one because it's just
the wing. Yeah,
it's just as hard as the freaking skirts.
Hey, if anyone has a Value Sports Type 3 wing, let me know.
Yeah, but literally, you're getting the freaking what do they call it? Like the back windshield, freaking duckbill, like.
I'm working on that. All right. Don't. That's gonna be a different video because it's a weird subject for a lot of Prelude people.
Yeah, I don't support it, but you know, it's all Damien.
What do you mean you don't support it?
Cause that whole thing, like with the 240s and stuff, whatever. We'll do that in another video, but dude, look at that. Oh, that looks dope. It lines up real good with the lip.
I gotta just I gotta lower the front and raise the back a little bit, and that'll be good. I think I'll be doing extended top hats in the front, so I can lower it more and still have the full shock travel. And the rear, I'm just gonna put the front springs in the rear. So I looked it up, and these are Teen Flex coilovers. They're not like the regular base coilovers, because
the Teen coilovers?
Yeah.
Oh,
The regular teen coilovers don't come with top hats. The flex coilovers are like $900 and they come with top hats. That's what I have. Because obviously they're green or whatever. If there was the stock coilovers or the base model
Why would you
teens,
get coilovers then? If you
I
already
just
have
didn't
two.
want these spring rates. But I mean,
You have.
But these spring rates are not actually that bad. They're 6K rear and 10K front. So what I'm going to do is put the 10K in the rear. So I'm going to be going up 4K all around. So I'm going to be going up 4K in the rear to 10. Front springs are going to go in the rear. And I'm going to set the preload accordingly. And I'm putting the 14K springs off of the rear of the Z on the front of this, which are 14K Swift. Are they Swift springs? Yeah, I think they're 14K Swift springs. So going up 4K all around, which is, you know, safe for the valving, I guess.
It's hard to see the lip, but because it's black and it's dark right there, but it lines up really well with the skirts.
Yeah. Because the stock Prelude skirts are super weak. Like what? All I have to do is this, and you'll be like, oh.
That's another cool thing. These skirts cover the stock skirts, so
Like they're meant to go over the sides.
a little bit of added durability.
Look at what it looks like now.
Yeah.
Like matched up with the.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but it doesn't line up
Prelude
right.
side skirts are weak. Like people do afford like CD5 side skirts on these. They have to trim them, and they usually use mud flaps to cover the cut ends, but.
It's like my car looks right now. I have like Navin rep skirts, and the front bumper is sagging, but it still is higher than the skirts, and I think that looks absolutely stupid. But
this is like perfect height. Like these skirts aren't like 240 skirts where they're like super. Well, not all of them, but most 240 skirts are super aggressive. They flare out a lot and they come down a lot, and they usually don't fit. This is made for this car by a very small company in the 90s. I think they went out of production in like 98 or 99, because they made a couple early model kits for the 5th gen Preludes, and this took a lot of digging up to find this information out. But yeah, they don't exist anymore. You can't find the kit anymore for any type of reasonable price. It's like trying to find a full OEM Type X kit, but you probably have better luck with that because you just go to Japan, they're just OEM kits. These, I don't know what the production run was on them, but everywhere I look, everyone's like, oh, I've only seen 3 of these kits, or like, whatever. Basically, the general consensus is these are the nicest side skirts made for 4th gen Preludes. The Type 2 kits, I think the Type 2 kit is the second nicest, and then you have Kaminari and Hero and all these other Wings West. But
once this car's painted,
these are the nicest skirts you
definitely
can
will
get.
probably be one of my favorite cars at Damien's.
And I'll just be freaking throwing. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about that. I just wanted to show you guys this. Yeah, they're super freaking rare. Some guy said that he paid $1,100 for just the skirts to get shipped to Canada. So I'm glad that I had to spend $40. Yeah. Well, once it's all painted, it's gonna look sick. I'm gonna go down to H2O. That's gonna be sick. Probably gonna be the only 4th gen there. If you know anyone with a 4th gen Prelude that's going to H2O, let me know so we can like meet up and shit. Or if you guys are going to H2O, let me or Don know so we can meet up and shit. Go to meets. But I guess that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.